Hey, it's Jacob Lee 1000. Just want to do some stuff I've never really done before. It's not really a mock. It's just different loose pieces and stuff I just have. Cold Start Assault I used for Iron Man. Loki's Cosmic Cube Escape. I just did a little shield trick. Here's Iron Man's helmet. Brick piece and then the computer, and there's Iron Man. Double faced. Oh, I can't really get it good. Angry face. And then, and then there's a dino guy. I just did him. Costume. Here's the dino set thing I reviewed. Sorry, I'm kind of asleep a little. Plants, and that little piece right there is connected to. It's an off-roader, sort of. This right here is the wheels and a brick piece. Cocoon Starfighter that's a little jacked up. But I used clones from the Droid Battle Pack. I think I did a review on it. He had a sniper. And put his helmet on. ARC Trooper, which has two little miniguns. It's not a review, it's just a little thing I'm showing, so I'm trying to make it quick. And it's really all. So, thanks for watching. Bye.